look like when these are cut up, should look like. And if you squint your eye a little bit, it do give you Freddy Krueger SB vibes. Look. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, and I'm back, man. It's not my fault, guys. The last 2 weeks been it's not that been too good of sneakers, man. But in my hand today, I got the Nike SB Dunks by Riot Skateshop. I don't even know if it's some kind of name for it, but it gives you wine, Bordeaux, green. It gives you a lot. Trust me, them pictures you guys are seeing does not give this sneaker justice. Let's look at the 4K in it. You got a 3M swoosh, guys. Gives you Christmas, Thanksgiving, cranberry sauce vibes. This sneaker's hard, guys. It's not hype, but you know what I say, buy what you like, not what's hype. I like this sneaker, man. Hit the B-roll. On the soundtrack. Now, this is not the first time Riot Skateshop got through with Nike, came through, made something dope. Yo, this sneaker is really dope, man. We don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes, so let's unbox them. 4K. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it's part of that chrome white cell box look. I came to realization, y'all know I review a lot of SBs. I don't like the box too much, but the ones that come in this chrome box has been the better last year. Let's see what happens this year. Sometimes the purple box joints be but my Supersonics did come in that box, so I guess. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Mahogany Dark Beetroot. That's the word I was looking for. It's like a mahogany fit. When you flip open the lid, get the SB tissue. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's just as black or pale, whatever, man. You do get the glow-in-the-dark SB sticker, which is always dope whenever you add something to a sneaker that only costs $130. And let's start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Riot Skateshop Nike SBs. And now you do see that beetroot. That we just needed the word. It's definitely beetroot. Let's start with my highlight. The 3M swoosh. Look at the light on that swoosh. Y'all see it lighting up, man. Super dope. Definitely an eye catcher, especially in pictures and video. I love the 3M swoosh, man. But let's go to the toe box. Got like your green forest in there. Gucci look, if you may say. UNBOX suede is luxury. Listen. Quiet, right? And you could tell it gives you that light to dark vibe, man. That's always dope. Around it is where you get like your beetroot or your wine color, I would say. The sneaker's definitely aiming towards wine. Also, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. Definitely dope, man. This is luxury. All right, let's focus on the tongue here. I told you wine, but when I see this reminds me of liquor. I think it's called the Maker's Mark. You know how they do that little like that red part on the Maker's Mark bottle that looks like it's dripping. I get that vibe there for sure. And on the tongue, usually you just got a Nike SB tag here. They threw that on the tongue. Thick, fat SB tongue, of course. Materials A1, guys. What does it read? It reads Riot Skateshop Bordox. For some reason I want to say Tennessee because it's liquor. Bordox Finest. That's what you got in there. And it does look like that would be a label on some liquor. So that's super dope. But as far as the shoestrings, period, that comes laced in, definitely Bordox. Definitely some red wine color. Super dope. I'm sure it comes with more laces, but that's what it comes laced in. Let's get to the back here. Nike logo, one of my favorite. But as you can see, that is shining too, just like the 3M swoosh. You got some shine in there. Red, the green, then I guess the Bordox, burgundy, dark root, whatever they calling it. Then the white finish it off, and then you get that burgundy coming right back at the bottom. Looking just like a gum bottom. Super dope, man. The inside swoosh is also 3M too, so they didn't cheat us in no way. I really like that. The bottom, all kind of stuff going on down here. I don't know if it's like the grape stems. That's the vibe I'm getting, or like some wine pouring. It's my first time looking at it with y'all, but it's definitely looking like grapes to me. Because if you look in there, you get like some grape joints going on. You can see it better now. And then I think that's the stems from the grapes. If y'all don't know, grapes make wine, guys. So that is very dope down there. The inside acts as a corkscrew, a cork, just a cork. The wine cork, when you open a bottle of wine, that's what the inside is. I hope it don't feel like it. It feels like it, guys. I don't know how comfortable the shoe gonna be. I remember LeBron had a situation like this with one of the pairs of his sneakers. But it does feel like corkscrew there. A little softer, of course. It just feels like corkscrew on the back part of the foot right here where the label is. But as you go inside, it definitely gets softer. This is the right shoe here, guys. And instead of Nike on the back, it says Riot. I'm telling you, this sneaker is not the hype, but it should be, guys. They put Riot on the back. The last time I seen this happen was the Born joints, and this was different. Everybody know this was different. It changed in the light. But back to the Riots here, man. So besides the left side, everything else adds up with the right side. Nothing changed. Still 3M swoosh, luxury. The bottom even stayed the same with the grapes. But you do get the added shoelaces here. So you got like a Travis Scott brown, black, and then the wine burgundy that it comes in. And you still got the wine situation on the soles. Yes, sir. So just like all the other releases this year, except for these beautiful Wizard of Oz joints here, I was able to get this sneaker 3 weeks in advance before Nike SB. Before sneakers even dropped it. Certain skate shops had it early. So I didn't think the sneaker was going to sell out. But if you look on the sneakers app now, sizes 8 and up is a wrap. You can't get them. Retail was $135, I believe, from sneakers. 140 something shipped and all that stuff to me. If you look on GOAT and StockX now, the 10 to and up are like about 170, 180. So the sneaker is definitely not like the high mark, but it's definitely not the low marks we seen. Well, not this year, last year. The electric joints and the movie joints. Almost every SB that came out in the last 6 months has been on a decline. You could get them for retail, under retail. Don't let me start talking about them. the SBs with the chain on it, man. But anyway, yeah, man, I really like these, man. It does give me them Freddy Krueger SB vibes, colorway-wise, especially not Freddy Krueger, but colorway-wise, it does give me that look. But to just design something after some wine is super dope. I don't know how I forgot to show y'all this right here. It looks like a state. I'm not too sure. Now it looks like a dog sitting down or a rabbit. It's definitely an animal. It's an animal in here, man. Is it a dog? Comment section below. Let me know what that animal is. Oh, wait. The same animal is in the... Maybe that's just Riot Skateshop's logo. The same animal is here, guys. On the the tab here. Get that to focus. The same animal. So maybe that's just Riot Skateshop. I'm not too familiar with the brand, but they made a fire SB, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.